Before you scroll, quick question. If I showed you a paragraph right now, could you tell if it was written by a human or AI? Most people think they can. They're wrong, and in the next 2 minutes, I'll show you why. ChatGPT can already write text that AI detectors score as 0% AI, yet most people still get flagged instantly. Not because AI is bad, but because they don't know what to look for. Let me show you something real. I asked ChatGPT to write an article called How Artificial Intelligence is Changing Everyday Life. The result looked clean, academic, professional. If you saw it online, you'd believe a human wrote it. GPT-0 didn't. It flagged it as 100% AI generated. So what gave it away? Not grammar, not spelling, something deeper. AI writing follows patterns, the same ones every time. It starts with big, vague openers like, artificial intelligence has rapidly transformed, from a futuristic concept to a practical tool. Sounds smart, but notice something. It doesn't say anything specific. Humans don't warm up like this. AI does. And it gets worse, because this is the part your brain usually ignores. AI can't feel emotions. It can't have opinions, so it fills space with buzzwords. Words like leverage, crucial, digital landscape, revolutionizing productivity, actionable insights. They sound professional, but they replace real thinking. Now listen carefully. This next rule alone will let you spot AI writing in seconds. Ask yourself this: would a real person actually say this out loud? If the sentence feels too perfect, too smooth, too balanced, too safe, it's probably AI. Humans write unevenly. They pause, they simplify mid-sentence, they change rhythm. That imperfection is human. This is why AI detectors work. They don't understand the meaning. They detect predictability, perfect flow, perfect structure, perfect wording. Now pause for a second, and if while watching this you thought, wait, I've seen writing like this before, that means it worked. Because once you can spot AI writing, you can't unsee it. So the next question is obvious. How do you fix it? In my full video linked below, I break down exactly how to remove buzzwords without killing clarity, break AI patterns naturally, add real human rhythm and personality, and make AI writing hard for detectors to flag. If this made you pause and rethink AI writing, comment human. And if you don't want to search for this again later, hit that subscribe. I'm Eldnight. See you there.